children. Good morning to all. Welcome to online maths class. Unit 4. First standard maths unit 4. The topic is sizes big and small. Okay. Sizes big and small. Okay children. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes. Very good. How are you to all? I hope you are fine and safe and healthy. Okay children, did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework children? Yes, very good. Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Are you ready? What time starts? Now. Okay children, what did you see the last class? Students, tell me, what did you see the last class? Yes, very good. Thick and thin. Thick and thin. What is the topic in last class? Thick and thin. What does mean by thick? Yes. Tattayana, urundayana. Okay. Thick and thin. Thin means ulliyana. Okay. Thin means ulliyana. Thick and thin. Okay children, did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework in the last class? Okay children, what is today? What is today? Yes, today is Wednesday. Very good. Today is Wednesday. Students, all are stand up. All are stand up. Now, clap activity. Now I introduce clap activity. Are you ready? Okay children, stand up all are. Say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again one time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Are you happy? Are you happy children? Okay. Students, check the answers. Check the answer children. Check the answers. Children, check the answers. Page number 108. Page number 108 says thick and thin. Says thick and thin. Circle the object that are thin. That are thin object circle panna sollirukanga. Thin means olliyanadu. Okay. Thin means olliyanadu. This is correct answer. Yes, very good. Super. Keep it up. First, circle the object that are thin. Okay. Thin object la circle panna sollirukanga. Are you finished? Okay. Next one, circle the object that are thick object. Thick means what? Yes, kattayana, periyad. Okay. Dadimanana. And the things are circle panna sollirukanga. Okay children, you finished? Children, check the answers. Okay. Now we are going to cover. Now we are going to cover. What is the topic? What is the topic? Yes, sizes big and small. Big and small. What is the topic? Big and small. Sizes big and small. Okay children, what is mean by big? What is mean by big? Yes, what does mean by big? Very good. Big means periyadu. Big means periyadu. Big means periyadu. What does mean by small? What does mean by small? Yes, small means siriyadu. Small means siriyadu. Small means siriyadu. Okay children, I saw the example. Children, see the water bottle. See the water bottle children. Yes. What is this size? What is this size? Yes, very good. This is big size. This is big water bottle. This is big water bottle. This is big water bottle. What is this size? What is this size? Yes, this is a small water bottle. This is a small water bottle. Small, big, big and small. It's a big water bottle. This is a small water bottle. Different size. Different sizes. Different sizes of water bottle. Different sizes of water bottle in my hand. Did you understood? Did you understood, students? Big and small. Big and small. Big, small. Big means பெரியது. Small means சிறியது. Okay? Big means பெரியது. Small means சிறியது. Are you clear? Are you clear, children? Yes, very good. Super. Keep it up. Big and small. Big and small. Okay, children? Are you clear? Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Students, see the slide. What is it? Yes, teddy bear. Bear. Teddy bear. Big. First one, big bear. First one, big bear. See, look at the slide, children. Big bear. Big. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. First one, what is the first teddy bear size? What is the size of first bear? Yes, big size. Very good. Big size. Big size. What is second one? Small size. Very good. Small size. Small. Small teddy bear. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big means பெரியது. Small means சிறியது. Okay. So the next example. Yes. What is that? Lion. Very good. What is that? Lion. Do you like a lion? Yes or no? No? Why? It's okay. Okay, children. What is the first one? Lion. Lion. What is this shape? Sorry, what is this size? What is this size? Yes, very good. Super. Very good answer. Big size. What is this size? Big size. What is this size? Big size. Okay, what is next one? Yes. What is next one? Rabbit. Sorry, mouse. 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 What is this size? Yes, small size. Do you see? Small size. First one big, second one small. First one big, second one small size. First one big size, second one small size. Are you clear? Are you clear? Big and small. Today's topic is big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Okay. Are you clear, children? Okay, next example. Big and small. See, look at this line. Big and small. Big and small. First one is big size. Second one is small size. First one is big size. Second one is small size. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear, children? Okay. Are you clear? Okay, children. Let's go to the next slide. Let us talk about sizes of object. Sizes of object. Do you like a cycle? Do you like a cycle? And bike, auto rickshaw? Do you like? What is the, anyone like it? Yes, very good. Cycle, super. Cycle. Small sizes of object. Cycle. Small size. Cycle. Next. Bike. Okay. Big. Which one is bigger? Yes, biggest is a auto rickshaw. Bike is a bigger Cycle is a big. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Cycle is a big size, and then bike is a bigger size. Next, auto rickshaw is biggest, biggest. Okay, biggest. Very clear? Very clear, children? Okay. Okay, children, take one maths book, worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17, unit 4, sizes big and small. Sizes big and small. Children, take it fast. Page number 109. Page number 109. Worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17. Take it fast at the count of number 5. Students, take a pencil or eraser. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Okay, children? Okay, very good. Take it fast. See the first picture. See the first picture. Yes. What is that? What is that? Yes. B. Smallest, smaller and small. Smallest, smaller and small. Smallest, chinna. Okay, smallest, smallest. அதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் small. Okay, smaller, smaller. Next one, small. Next one, small. Okay, smallest, smaller, small. Okay, next one is big, bigger, and then biggest. The first one, dog. Do you see the dog? Yes, very good. Do you like a dog? Yes, super. Dog, lion, and elephant. And elephant. Dog. Next one. What is that? Lion and elephant. First dog, big. Okay, big, normal size. Next line, bigger, bigger, bigger. The last one is elephant. Biggest. Very sharp. Biggest, biggest, biggest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, children, are you clear? Are you clear, children? Okay. Students, take our worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17. Draw a bigger star in the circle. Draw a bigger star in the circle. Star in the circle. Children, first one, draw a bigger star in the circle. First machine, draw a bigger star in the circle. Star in the circle. Star in the circle. First, see the star. Yes, the star is a bigger star. Bigger star draw பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Bigger means what? Yes, பெரியது. Very good. Star, bigger star. Small, bigger star. bigger star, bigger star. Draw a bigger star in the circle. Okay, in the circle. This is big and bigger. Bigger na perusa draw panna solranga. Okay, it's clear? It's clear, children? Draw a bigger star in the circle. In the circle. What is next question? What is next question? Read the students. Read the second question. Draw a smaller bottle in the circle. Draw a bottle in the circle. Students, read the second question. Yes. Read the second question. Draw a smaller bottle in the circle. Draw a smaller bottle in the circle. In the circle, smaller bottle. This is a big water bottle. So big water bottle. Draw a smaller bottle. Okay, smaller water bottle. Smaller water bottle. Students, smaller water bottle. Check the answers. Smaller water bottle. Smaller. Students, draw a smaller water bottle. Second question, draw a smaller bottle in the circle. In the circle. In the circle. The water bottle is smaller water bottle. Draw panna solranga. Smaller means what? Cereal. Smaller means cereal. Cereal water bottle. Draw panna solranga. Okay? Did you understood? Did you understand, students? Okay. What is next question? What is next question, students? Draw a smaller ball in the circle. Draw a smaller ball in the circle. Students, you work out that or work out that this problem. Yes, draw a smaller ball in the circle. The ball is smaller ball. Draw panna solranga. Okay, smaller ball. Smaller ball. Smaller ball. Ball in the circle. In the circle. Third question. What is that? Ball. Third question. Draw a, students, draw a smaller ball in the circle. Smaller ball in the circle. What is that, students? Yes, small ball. Okay, small ball. Small ball. Small ball. Smaller, smaller, smaller. You finished? Are you finished, children? Okay. What is next question? What is next question, students? You are tell. Draw a bigger cup in the circle. Cup in the circle. See the next slide. Cup. Students, first look at the slide, then you draw the worksheet. Then you draw the worksheet. Children, first look at the slide and then you draw the worksheet. Okay, children? Yes, very good. The count of number 5. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2 and 1 and 0. Are you finished? Are you finished, children? Are you finished? Okay. Okay, children. See the next slide. Page number. Take your next page. Your next page. Worksheet number 18. Sizes smaller and bigger. Smaller and bigger. Smaller and bigger. Look at the object. The first question. Look at the object. Then draw a smaller object and bigger object. Smaller object and bigger object. Bigger object. First smaller. First smaller books. Okay. Draw the smaller books. Look at the slide, children. First look at the slide. After you draw the worksheet. First smaller book draw panna solranga. Smaller. And then last one bigger book. Okay, bigger. So bigger book. So smaller book means சின்ன book. Bigger means பெரிய book draw பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Okay, children? Are you finished? You finished, children? Okay. Students, read the again one time. Read again one time, children. What is the topic? Yes, topic is big and small. What is the topic? Big and small. What is the topic, children? Big and small. Big and small. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. So, big size. Okay, big, and then small. Okay, big and small. Okay, children, tell me the position words one time. Children, tell me the position words one time. Yes, top and bottom, on, under, outside and inside, Next one, above, below. Okay, already we learned these are position words. Next, near and far. Near and far. Okay, are you clear? Today's what is topic? Big and small. Are you understood? Okay, children. See the next slide. Today's homework. Complete worksheet number 18. B and C part. Okay, B and C part. Children, it's an interesting homework today. Complete worksheet number 18. B B and C part. B and C part. First one, smaller, bigger. Smaller, bigger. Then first read the question, then you draw the worksheet. Okay children, are you clear? Are you clear? Today we learned new sizes, different sizes objects. Okay, what is that? Big and small. Big and small. Today we learned big and small. Big and small. Okay children, thank you.